नाव कितें तुजें?
हेमंत गावडे.
ओके, आयज कितें जालें तुजें?
आयज एग्जाम आसली ती बरी गेली म्हजी.
कसली एग्जाम आसली आज?
एंट्रन्स एग्जाम
ओके, कितें करूंक सोदता तूं फुडें?
इंजिनियरींग.
इंजिनियरींग. सो आयज अरेंजमेंट कशें आसलें?
बरें आसलें.
I'm from Navodaya Vidyalaya Valpal.
ओके.
I just written an exam paper,
What exam have you answered?
mathematics and science
Okay.
for CET entrance exam.
And so what have you got to do with the future now with this? What do you want to do in future?
I want to take science stream.
Okay.
I want to.
Okay. How was the arrangement?
The student was good, neat and clean.
Okay. The COVID pandemic has made it problem for all this.
Now what I'm known, it's okay.
नाव कितें तुजें?
बेजमा
डेजमंड. तूं खंयचो?
पारा
पारासान तूं हांगा एग्जाम कसली एग्जाम आन्सर केल्या?
ही कॉमन एंट्रन्स.
कॉमन एग्जाम. कितें यूज तेजी एग्जामीचे आतां?
डिप्लोमा खातीर एडमिशन घेतला न्हू, सो ती कॉमन एंट्रन्स एग्जाम दिवची पडटली.
ओके. आनी आयज कशें अरेंजमेंट जालें?
आमची बरी
एग्जाम कशी जाली?
एग्जाम बरी.
प्रिपेर केल्लें?
प्रिपेर म्हणल्यार काल मातसो बेश्टे
रिविजन केलें? आनी कोविडाक लागून प्रॉब्लम जालो? मास्क घालून आन्सर करचें पडलें?
मातशें ब्रिदींग प्रॉब्लम.
ओके. वॉट हॅव यू डन टुडे?
Diploma entrance exam
Exam. So what exam is this?
for entrance.
Entrance exam.
First,
Okay,
general
how
knowledge
was-
question.
How was the arrangements?
Good.
Good. So you have done enough preparation for the exam?
Only for science.
Only for science. How was the paper?
Paper was good, not so hard and much.
Okay. So arrangement and everything was fine. Wearing mask made a problem?
No.
Pratisha Iti,
Okay, you are from?
Valpal.
So you have come all the way from Valpoi?
Yeah.
How was it?
Bye.
Okay. How was the experience coming here all the way from Valpoi?
Yeah, it's
Okay. It was difficult.
yeah, difficult. Later we traveling from Valpal to Yardana.
So how was the exam?
Good, little bit.
Okay. So what is this all CET exam is all about?
Because nowadays corona it's give all our exam were cancelled and all passed students. So government CM Pramod Sawant decided to take diploma, and those who are giving diploma and 11th and those exams were conducted.
So this test is and worth doing it, answering? Okay. So how was the preparation here? So you have done well.
Disha Dharmara.
So you are from?
I'm from Kiri.
So you are
Goa.
from all the way from there you came. How convenient was it to come here? How was difficult to come here?
No.
Yeah, okay. So how was the exam?
Good.
Good. So what is the purpose of this exam?
For the diploma. I'm from for the diploma.
Okay, for the diploma purpose. So how was the arrangements here? Good arrangements. So
Proper sanitizing.
everything was done. So you're hoping you will get a good marks?
Yeah.
I'm Dr. Marilu Farah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would just like to say that the school has done a commendable job in making the necessary arrangements for this exam. Yeah, and I hope that in the future that this need will not arise. That of course, since the pandemic was unprecedented, so but the students have been put under tremendous pressure, a lot of stress, and so not knowing what the outcome would be. So I hope this scenario is a one-time scenario. It does not happen again for the sake of our students. Yeah.
हांव संतोष गांवकर, कोयर हायस्कुलाचो हेडमास्टर. अल्डोना सेंटराचेर ऑब्जर्वर म्हणून आसा. अल्डोना सेंटराचेर टोटल 5 सब सेंटर आसले. सेंट थॉमस बॉयज, सेंट थॉमस गर्ल्स हायस्कूल, माय देदूस हायस्कूल, सेंट एलिझाबेथ आनी सेंट झेवियर मोयरा. टोटल हांगासर 136 स्टुडंटांनी आन्सर केला. हांव खरें म्हणटालें आमच्या फादर तेंच्यांनी हांगासर वेवस्थीत अरेंजमेंट केल्लो. कांयच प्रॉब्लेम नासले. सगळे सामके एकदम SOP आनी कितें आसलें सगळें तेंच्यांनी वेवस्थीत केल्ले. सेंटराचेर आमी सगळ्या बाकीच्या 5 सेंटराचेर वचून येयल्या. सगळे कडेन वेवस्थीत अरेंजमेंट केल्लो भुरग्यांचे कांयच ना व्यवस्थीत तेंच्यांनी आन्सर केल्या. स्पेशली हयडोना सेंटराचेर मातशें म्हणजे भुरग्यांक काणकोण जावं इवन धारबांदोडा हांगासून तांकां येवचें पडलें. पूण हांव फादराचें हांगासर खरोखरच कौतूक करतां. तेणी इतलो हांगासर अरेंजमेंट केल्लो की सगळें हांगासर वेवस्थीत जालें आनी भुरग्यांनी बरें आन्सर केलें. आनी हांव बोर्डाकूय तेंच्यांनी सगळो अरेंजमेंट केल्ल्या बद्दल हांगासर हांव तेंचें कौतूक करता तेंचें.
यूज कितें ह्या एग्जामीचो? वॉट इज द यूज ऑफ दीस एग्जाम?
हे एग्जामीक आन्सर केल्या उपरांत भुरग्यांक 11th सायन्सीक आनी तांणी कसलो डिप्लोमा कोर्स जर तांकां करपाक जाय जाल्यार तांकां एंट्रन्साक लागून तेंच्यांनी हो CET एग्जाम हांगासर दवरलेली आसा.
I am Father Valerian Carvalho, headmaster of St. Thomas Boys High School. I am conductor for the CET examination, Aldona Center number 31. Under Aldona Center, we have 4 other sub-centers, and students have answered the CET exam at different sub-centers and main center. We also have number of students who have reported to St. Thomas Boys High School and they have answered the exam here. The total number of students who have answered at the boys school are 80 and at the sub centers are in the range of 8 to 10 students who have answered. We were happy to have an elaborate preparation for the CET examination. I also like to thank the observer Santosh, Sir Santosh, who has helped us in smooth conduct of this examination. I would also like to thank all the headmistress of the neighboring school who also had the examination at their sub centers. I also thank my staff who have worked day in and day out to make sure everything was arranged to the best of their ability. Having center at the Boys High School in Aldona was a dream, and that dream has come true due to many factors. And today the students of Aldona are answering their board examination as well as entrance common entrance examination also at Aldona and in the villages of Aldona here and in the constituency of Aldona. I would also like to express my thanks to Shri Glenn Souza Tiklo for helping us to get the center at Aldona. I thank each and every authorities at the education board, especially the chairman, the secretary, the under secretary, and all those people who helped us conduct this examination in the most successful manner. God bless you. Thank you.
What is the use of this exam?
This exam is basically for the students who want to enter the science stream at 11th standard and 12th standard. And some students who have answered the examination, common entrance examination, after 12, they want to opt for polytechnic courses.